You go to Facebook, hit your fucking his face in Facebook.
No, I'm
You
sorry.
see, you really out there. You're fucking gay. I'm a gay. So
Excuse me?
I'm talking to him. I'm not talking to you.
You're being
This is very rude.
This is my
Not
friend.
rude.
This is my friend. You're being very rude.
No,
to
no,
her, so
no.
please.
She's not your friend. I'm your friend.
No, you're not.
I want you to
don't-
fuck me tonight.
I don't know who you are, and I'm not interested.
I want you to fuck me tonight.
Sorry, please leave.
Don't touch her, okay? I'm going
leave
to
us
slap
alone.
you. I'm going to slap you.
Excuse me, your slurry is on my face, and the nearest hospital is somewhere else.
No, no,
in
no,
this-
no. He is an LBGT. I'm an LBGT.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're gay.
Please leave
I'm
us
not
alone.
opposed to
you.
gay, but
Fuck
this
me
is very
tonight. I
rude.
want you to fuck me tonight.
No, please don't touch me again either. Please don't touch me.
Singapore is not like America. We can touch you.
Hey,
Hey,
don't touch
Excuse
me.
me?
because I'm a
Get
gay.
out of here now.
No, he's a gay. I'm a gay. I want him to fuck me tonight.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
This is sexual
Yeah.
harassment.
No, he's a gay. I'm a gay. No, no. He makes signal to me.
I did
he
not.
makes signal to me. I'm Singapore got no law. Are you from America? Are you from America? Singapore got no law. You can touch me, I can touch you. Singapore got no law. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
You know, this is always when you like
I'm very
something.
touchable.
Yes, but
He's a
some
gay. I know him.
What do you mean by he's a gay? This is
He's
very
a
rude.
gay.
Did you drink?
I'm a gay.
Did you drink?
I drank a lot. I drank a lot.
Ah, okay, this is no problem here.
Can I kiss you? I want to kiss you
Are
now.
you
If
mentally
you kiss me, I will
unstable?
punch your fucking face off.
Hey, you see? You look like a what? Huh? Use one more vulgar. I'm going to stab you.
Excuse me?
Huh?
Now it's
You
enough.
say fuck you. You say you fuck
No,
you.
it's enough.
He said fuck me, ma. He said fuck me. Okay, it's okay. He's a gay. He said no to me. I said, okay, brother.